This is the mighty Susquehanna River that we're looking at. You see there are leaves on the ground. See the leaves on the ground? Look at that. Isn't that the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Just look at that. Look at that water, deep and wide. It's just so amazing to me. See what those houses look like across the river. Wow, look at their reflection on the water. And look at those mountains. All those bare trees. It's really pretty. That looks like it must be part of a university or a hospital or something.